First of all, I would like to say thanks to OnGo for setting up this, and they are helping us a lot to build the private networks in the US markets. So from Blue Arcus, we have the MOCN solutions. So our MOCN Gateway will set up a secured S1 tunnel to the radios and also the secured S1 tunnel back to the MNOs. And we can route the traffic from the CBRS radio network back to the multiple operators, all the US operators. And this is the best solution for any operator who is building the MOCN solutions and the neutral host solutions. And along with this MOCN Gateway, we are providing the core network for the fixed wireless access. Those core networks are carrier grade solutions. So moving from the carrier grade solutions, we can also scale these solutions. So scaling the solution is easy in the market, but scaling down the solution is always a challenge. So that's where Blue Arcus came up with a flavor where we can have the 4G and the 5G core, which is suitable for a private network. And you can see the whole 5G core network along with the IMS is running in such a small box with the 4 CPUs and 8 GB RAM. So these are the customized softwares which are easily deployable in a private network solution. And along with that, for the private network flavor, in order to minimize the power consumption, we also have a flavor where we can deploy the core networks on an ARM processor. So this is a Cortex A72 processor. We are having a UPF running on this small box. So we can support x86 flavor and the ARM flavor, and also we can have the UPF on a small chip. And I will show you, this is the small private network which we want to show here. So we have the radio network, we have the core and the switch for uplink to internet. So this is kind of a starter network who want to establish a private network where in a small tripod we are offering the core network here. And so core network means people will think that there is a 50 GB RAM or 50 core CPUs. So they are even afraid of putting the infrastructure on and costing on the hardware. So that's where even in an Intel NUC from the Amazon, we will be able to deploy the private network. And this is the revolution which we want to bring among the private networks, which are very easy to deploy, zero touch deployments. And this is what we do. If you are interested and you want to know more about the flavors of solutions which we are offering, please contact marketing@bluearcus.com.